ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋಗ ನೀವು ಟೀನಾ
ನೀರಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಬರುತ್ತೆ So folks, welcome back. Next day morning, yesterday after that so much of traveling and walking and lot of video capture and everything, it's the next day morning. I'm having my cup of coffee, so planning to head back home. Stay tuned, probably will ride in an hour or two. It's about 7:45. It's already very hot in the morning, so that's the plan. And I will see you in a while. Let's see what folks are doing, and probably we will catch up in the breakfast as well. Spare us some time.
Hi, Akshay.
What's up?
Hi.
Any heavy sound ಅಂತ ರಾತ್ರಿ
ಮನೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು.
ಹೇಳು ಯಾಕೆ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ?
ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ನಿನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಗ?
ಏನ್ ಮಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೊರಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ? ನನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನೆನ್ನೆ.
ನನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೀನೆ, ನಾನಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಏನು ಇವತ್ತು?
ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಡೋದಷ್ಟೇ.
ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋಲ್ವಾ?
ಕೊರೋನಾ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗೋಣಮ್ಮ.
ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ರೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಮೋಹನ್ ಬೈ
ಮಾಡಿ ಗೋವಾಗೆ ಟೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕೋಷ್ಟು ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ
ತುಂಬಾ ಧೈರ್ಯ
ಹಣ ತೆಗೆಯೋಣ ಓಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಇದೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ತಾನೇ,
ಸೇಮ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್
ಇದೇ ಬೇರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಇದನ್ನ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬಾಳ
So folks, got ready. I'm actually packing my bags, just making sure that I put everything in place. I'm going to show you a closer look how exactly I've already packed my bag, so just look into it. And to give you some context, this is the tank bag that I put on front of the tank. All set, riding gloves, the one that I wear for my head, the balaclava, and then the riding jacket. And this is what I wear. I don't wear the t-shirt because I sweat a lot. I have a skin that I'm going to wear. I changed it last night when I came. I used the black one. Now I'm using the white. So this is the Rhinox knee pads. I am in my jeans, and my Orazo boots are out, and there is the helmet. So all sorted. So let's go ahead and check what is there for breakfast. Breakfast is ready. Doc, henge open ಮಾಡಿ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. So coffee, tea is there. That is mandatory. Chutney. Then puri, I guess. Or this is whatever. Sambar, sagu. And there is puri. And upma. And kesri bath. Wow, nice. So guys, we are leaving and everyone has packed up. Thanks to Akash, the owner of Westernwood Resort. Thank you so much. So we'll just start up the motorcycle and let's give it a small rev and let it warm up for a couple of minutes. First ನಾವು ಡಯಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋಯ್ತು ಹಿಂಗಾಗಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಶೋರ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೀನ್ ಇರ್ತೀವೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ನಾನು ಏನು ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ಡಿಂದ ಫ್ರೆಂಡು, ಹಂಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಪರಿಚಯ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರನೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋಚೆ ಲೀಡ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. Alright guys, let's start rolling. Thank you so much Akash once again. Thank you. So, oh, it's drizzling, man. So the plan is to start heading and we will put a small fuel stop, and once we put a fuel stop we will start rolling and time to head back home. Stay tuned, we will meet you in Shell petrol bunk. I think Tilak would lead from front, so Karthik is going there and then of course me following. So we will meet you in the fuel station, and I've got the new visor for the Axis one. I think looks very nice, cool, and no much interventions as well. So let's go. So top box, there is some vibration. That is because not of the box vibration, but it is mostly because of the wind. Look at the view, guys. It's like super sharp corners, man. You need to be slightly skilled in terms of about going through these sorts of roads. I'm not saying I'm skilled. That's one of the reasons you also see me that I'm taking a little slow. I'm not pushing hard as well. So a lot of inclinations, lot of downs, lot of muddy roads, lushy road. If it rains, I think it's going to lose much of traction. This looks like very similar to the Valparai stretch that I rode last time during Feb. So go ahead and check the vlog. That also is amazing. So this is the road, guys. When you're coming from this side, if you remember, we came this road and we're going to take straight. And towards here, if you're coming, it shows Kambaradi, Urubage, then you're going to take straight. So that's the route. One piece of advice when you're actually driving in these sorts of blind corners, it is recommended that you stay as close as towards your left, because you don't know the upcoming traffic. They might come little hot, so that is an tip that you can see. If you can see the two motorcycles, I'm not sure whether you're able to see mine, but see Tilak and Karthik, they're driving very closer to the white line, so that is most important. So even if you're pushing in this corner as well, you're taking it very close. So we saw another biking community. So it's nice gesture actually to see a Shell petrol bunk over here. So I'm about to reach the petrol station, and when I got the motorcycle and when I started, I had a full tank, which means that there was half a tank in fact. And then later what happened, I filled up for about $700, which is maybe equivalent to 1,200 or 1,300, and then that is still there. And if I go now, I'll fill up again with the motorcycle It might roll back to possibly under 1k is what I'm guessing, but I might be wrong as well. I think under 1k, if I fill it off, the entire fuel expenses will come about 1.5 to 2k. And they're so nice little ones. Hi cuties. I hope they are taken care. They're in the side. So like I said, yeah, under 2.5 or maybe less than that itself. So that is a fuel expense. I think while coming I was with Sanket. Possibly because of that the mileage would have slightly dipped because of the heaviness of the motorcycle and my weight, his weight and everything. So let's see how much of a difference it's gonna make without him. His driving in the car. So let's see what is that. By the way, I just turned on the camera like few minutes before when I started speaking about fuel station, right? But you know what happened before that? There was one mongoose that passed really close in my motorcycle that went almost like pretty much touching my motorcycle. So I did not turn on my camera. I don't know why this happens. I mean, I think one other tip maybe I need to learn as well. When you're actually driving or riding in motorcycle in a forest, make sure that your camera is always on, because you never know what can happen in any second. But considering the bandwidth, the battery, the memory, everything, I might have to plan consciously, because I cannot keep on showing the same content again. It might look bored as well. So I missed that shot. I mean, it just passed so far and it was like this much big. So that was something which I loved. I was hoping that you guys would have also seen, but it's alright. Maybe sometime. Even it happened even for me in Valparai as well, wherein I saw a deer jumping from that corner to this corner right in front of me. But back then I had turned on my camera, but it's just that the battery was over. So it just got drained off then. For obvious reasons, you cannot capture when battery is dead. So I think we just came to the Shell petrol bunk. Let's go and fuel up. So folks, done with putting fuel. I think I paid about 921. So folks have taken some break and we will start moving. Tag bala hogalva? Anege. Bye, thank you. So that is Kranti, the man with the Discover bike. Sweet ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದು ಡಾಗ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ನೀನೇನು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊಡೋಗ್ತೀಯ ಮಗ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡ ಮಗ ಹಂಗಂದ್ರ. ಸಂಕೇತಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಂತೆ ನೋಡು. ವಾ, ಇದೊಳ್ಳೆ ಸರಿ ಎತ್ಕಲ್ಲ. So looks like the plan is to stop in Bellur Cross. So Sanket is being very nice sitting in car and is saying that he doesn't want to come in motorcycle, and he's got a nice comfort, no dringing, nothing. Look at him, smile. Folks. So plan is to stop near Bellur Cross and let's roll from there. So if the motorcycle starts now, we are not going to stop. That's the plan. I think this place has a lot of Alto cars, Maruti Suzuki Alto. Looks like the entire Chikmagalur purchased a lot of Altos during the launch of its car. Or maybe possible lot of pre-owned cars as well. Might be wrong. See, they already started pushing in the corner. See, I'm taking so much. See, that's the difference between me and them riding. They're like really fast in corners. And with this box, there might be slightly a difference. ಮಳೆನೇ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಮಳೆ
ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ
ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. So folks, we took some small break almost near Beldur Cross. Beldur Cross is about 6 or 7 kilometers, and kindly ignore the voice. I've removed my media mod because it might rain and that is not waterproof, so kindly ignore. Take some 5 or 10 minutes break and then we will start from here. And what's the time? I think it should be somewhere close to 7:33. Not bad. And I'm actually very sleepy. ಏಳುವರೆ ಜಿಮಲ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು ರೂಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮಸಾಜಪ್ಪ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಖತ್ ಪೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ ನನಗೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಎಳಿತಾ ಇದೆ ಕಣ್ಣು.
ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದಾಯ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ
ಇವಾಗ ನಿಲ್ಸಿದ್ದು ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಯ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
R60 ಯಾವುದೋ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಕೊಂಡು.
So folks, finally reached, about to go home. We stopped near somewhere, this place called Deer Circle. That is where we go for ride, and then this is the place we stop opposite to the bus stop. And time to say bye for everyone and let's go home. ಬರೋದಾ ಬಾಯ್ 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 ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ತಿಲಕ್. ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಹಾಂ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾಯ್ 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 ಬಾಯ್.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ.
So there's a booze. I hope you like it. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದರು ಅವನು ನೋಡಿ ಸೇಫಾಗಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾರೋ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾ. ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಕಾರಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಇವಾಗ ಬೈಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಂ ಅದೇ ಹಾಂ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಮಳೆ. ಅವನೇನು ನಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಲ್ಲ. ಫುಲ್ ಗಲೀಜಾಗಿದೆ ಆದರೆ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ ಕಡೆ ಮಳೆನಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಮ್ ಮಳೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಡ್ರಿಸ್ಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಾಸನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜೋರು ಮಳೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫುಲ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ದ. ಮೊಬೈಲೇ ಮುಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ 3 ದಿವಸ, ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ ಸಿಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ ಹಾಂ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಡ್ಲಾ? ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಾ.
ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀಯಾ? ಬಾಯ್
ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಬಾಯ್.
So that's Sanket's parents. So he also has a brother. Hi Bruce. Hi Bruce. Hi. You know. Hi. 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 One. ಅವಳು ಕಚ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. Alright guys, I'll try to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for taking your time and watching the video. Follow videos are coming in, just stay tuned. Take care, bye.